Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today the date is 7/4/2020 and the day is Tuesday. Grade 3, subject Science, lecture number 2, Unit 8, Matter, Lesson 2. What are some ways matter can change? Today we will read in this lesson that how matters are changed. Open page number 92 of your books. Look, here are the balloons changed. Say with a partner. Say with your partner or your parents at your home that how these balloons are changed. Read and circle one more physical change you can make to a pencil. Changing matter. Matter can be changed. A physical change happens when matter changes but does not become a new kind of matter. That matter can change its shape and size. Okay, it will not change its state of matter, it will change its size and shape. Okay, physical change is the change in its size and shape. Now here you can see that when we sharpen the pencil it will change its shape and size, but the matter of the pencil doesn't change, it will remain the pencil and just the size and the shape will change. This change is called physical change. Now you can one more example is that you can cut paper into different styles and shape. The size of the paper will change but the matter uh, paper will remain the same as it is. Okay, just size and shape change. When the size and shape change of some matter, it is called physical change. Okay, now you have to circle one more physical change you can make to a pencil. You can break it. One more physical change you can do is that you can break the pencil. Now come to page number 93. Read, look and number to match each material to its changed form. Then draw the missing form. Okay, mold it, fold it, tear it and bend it. What we can do with matter is that we can mold it into different shapes, fold it, tear it and bend it. Matter can be changed in other ways too. Matter can be molded, folded, torn and bent. Different matter changes in different ways. Suppose you pull clay apart, you can put clay back together. Yeah, we can pull clay apart and we can again put it together. We can make it with different shapes with clay. You can tear the paper, you can make different folded paper, you can make plain with it or different shape you want. You can also make ship with it. You cannot put paper back together without using tape or glue. Yes, if you have tore the paper then you will not make it again back to its same shape, but it can be by using tape and glue. Now you have to number that there are three matter: clay, paper and pipe cleaners. You have to number it. Torn to change its size. Yes, paper, you have to number it. Number 2, paper can be torn and it can be changed into different size. Now molded into a new shape. 1, clay can be molded to different shapes again and again. Okay, now folded into a new shape. Paper can be folded into new shape. Yes, you have to mention number 2 over here. Now bent into a new shape. The pipe cleaners can be bent into different shapes. You have to mention number 3 here. Okay, now read, look and with the class describe how the dove changed. Other ways matter can change. Now we will read that how another way how matter can change. Some changes are not physical changes. uh, you have read that clay, paper and pipe cleaner can be molded into different frame. That was the physical change. Okay, now we will read about another change what happened to this. Okay, sometimes matter can be changed completely. Baked bread dough in an oven will change it. The dough is changed into something different. Baked bread. Okay, now dough is changed into baked bread. Baked bread can be eaten, okay, but the dough cannot be eaten, so it is changed into baked bread. the bread comes out of the oven warm and ready to eat, and the baked bread cannot go back to dough. Okay, this is called another change. It can be called chemical change. Okay, now come to page number 94. Look and draw three pieces of fruit that you can see in the fruit salad. Mix and separate matter. You can stir matter together to make a mixture. A mixture is something made up of two or more kind of matter. That what is a mixture? When we add two or three things together, it will make up a mixture. Okay, you can separate a mixture to see its part. Now what you have to do is you have to separate the fruits you have used to make a salad. Now you have to draw three different fruits in these circles that you have separated from the salad. Okay, now then come to point number 6. Read, look and draw an X on the picture that show a solid that sank. Then circle the picture that shows evaporation. Now you have to circle and cross the picture that show evaporation. Okay, water mixture. Some mixtures are made with water. Look at the picture. One mixture is made with sand and water. One, you can see that there are two types of mixture. One is of water and sand, and the other is water with salt. Okay, you can separate one mixture from here. You can separate the cross one, that you can separate sand and water. When sand sank at the bottom of the glass, you can separate the water. Okay, and water with salt will be separated by the process of evaporation, that the water will evaporate and this salt will left at the bottom of the glass. Okay, evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation means to change from a liquid to a gas, that the form which is in liquid form and it turns into gas, and the water evaporated when it come in the form of gas. Okay, and this was your book work all. Okay, now open your notebooks and you have to do your copy work. First of all, you have to write date and day, 7th April to 2020 classwork, and Tuesday. Topic is what are some ways matter can change. Key event is keywords: physical change, clay, dough, mixture and evaporation. These are the keywords you have to write on your notebooks. You have to draw proper margin lines. Okay, now come to next page. You have to write date and day, topic, event, what we are doing, question answers. Question number 1 is tell 3 ways you could change a cardboard box. What we can change with cardboard box? That I could cut the box with scissor, I could crush the box, I could pull the sides of the box apart to make it flat. Okay, these are the 3 ways I can change the box. Okay, now question number 2 is draw how you could change an orange. How we can change the orange? Okay, we by cutting the orange, by peeling the orange. You have to draw these orange pics on your white page of your notebooks. Okay, beside the question answers you have to draw one orange, then you have to cut the orange, and then you have to peel it. That's enough for today, and you have to write your diary is that your homework is page number 94 is for your homework. Okay, grade 3. This is your diary, DAI. Note this on your notebooks. Okay, that's it for today.